Hey y'all, it's me Deja B and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the maximum hydration method on medium to high porosity hair. Yes, hydration is so important for us medium to high porosity hair girls as well, girls and guys. So this is what my hair is looking like. Pretty dry, pretty undone, needs some love and care and attention for real. The maximum hydration method requires cleanser or clarifier, a conditioner or mask, and a clay mask. And then the next steps are leave-in and styler, but I'm not going to be doing that part in this video because I just want to focus on the cleansing aspect of it. If you want more details on the products that I use, the Mish Beauty products, then I will have videos linked for you guys above. All right, so I'm going to be drenching my hair with water, getting the thing soaking wet, just so I can make sure I get my hair loosey-goosey. I need to chill. Now I'm going in with my clarifier / shampoo by Mish Beauty. It's the detox shampoo. And I'm just going to work that into my hair via 4 sections really well and try to detangle. Really good clarifier. By the way, I would highly recommend using this if you do want to try the maximum hydration method. And so that's what my curls were looking like with a shampoo only. Now I am just rinsing my hair and it's already starting to look good. It was really back to life, you guys. And that's just what my hair was looking like after the first wash. And then I went in with a second round of the shampoo, you know, just to get the gunk, make sure all the gunk was off of my hair. And as you can see, it suds up really well, very cleansing, very clarifying, gave my hair that squeaky clean, and it left nothing to be desired. Like, it did what it needed to do. Now I'm going in with Mish Beauty's Prime Conditioner. That is the second step in most people's wash days and the second step in this maximum hydration method as well. And I'm just gonna get that throughout my hair, and I'm gonna apply a lot, guys, because you know, I had just came from doing jumbo knotless braids and they were in my hair for about 3 weeks, and my hair needed a good loving detangling and moisturization. Now, of course, you saw me applying it to the bulk of the hair, but don't forget the roots, people. Don't ever forget your roots. And that's in real life and with your hair, okay? So I'm just going to continue thoroughly applying that. And if I recall correctly, because I spread it throughout majority of my hair, I believe what I did was just finish detangling, gave it that time to set in my hair, and then I bathed, of course, and I rinsed it out after that. And my hair looks so good and full, guys. If you look at my complete wash day that I posted in January or February, my hair looks a lot more full than it did then. Yes, growth. And that's what it's looking like after that conditioner. It's a very shiny, very juicy. Now I'm going to go in with the Aztec clay mask, just finishing mixing that thing up. Then I'm going to apply it to my hair. And yes, I'm going to get those roots, guys. Even if you didn't see it, I did do it. Hey guys, so I know I look like a crazy psycho killer, but who cares, because my skin and my hair is gonna look flawless. But anyway, so I basically had this in probably for about like 45 minutes on my hair, because I know I'm just counting the time it took for me to apply it, and then I put this on my face, and then yeah. So yeah, it's probably been like 40-45 minutes. So yeah, I waited for this to dry all the way, which took about 30 minutes, and then now I'm gonna wash it. So yeah, I can already tell my hair is gonna look freaking amazing, because I mean, what, it already looks fly. I should just leave the clay in it, huh? Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna rinse this out, and I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like when I come back, and then, you know, continue on with this maximum hydration. So since I kind of got distracted at the end of this video, it was cut a little short. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and of course I will see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned for the styling after I use the maximum hydration method. As you'll see me say in a few seconds, I really recommend doing this to your hair at least every month to 6 weeks, just to get your hair cleansed and revived and plump all over again. So yeah. Okay guys, so basically I just put this microfiber towel on my hair until I could get myself together for my styling. And I just literally just took it off, and oh my god, I must say my curls look the freaking best they have ever looked before, without me having to put any styling products on it. Like, that's crazy. Like, look how amazing my hair looks right now. Shut the front door. I'm not even done, but this maximum hydration method, I 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. Like, at least once a month. At least once a month, I would say everyone should do this.